How you doing, folk? Charlie Oot and About. I just come out of the van. I was getting it all ready for my journey down south. I'm heading away down to the Isle of Wight and Kent and all the places down the bottom, right down the bottom. So I've made space for more kit. Took kit out to put kit in. So I'm just going to have a wee cup of coffee and I'm going to use my handheld grinder. You can get these out of Amazon for a tenner. Comes in 3 parts. You've got the grind itself, there's coarse and fine. You can name it a boat mate. Into your wee container. And then it's the handle only goes on one way. And I've got my cup, my thermos cup with my filter. Remember you see the wee plastic ones, this is an aluminium one now. It just sits in my cup. My kettle's already boiled. But it was just to show you the wee handheld grinder, which is actually quite good. If you love coffee, if you're into coffee, I carry my beans in Stacey's wee bottle, wee plastic bottle, which has got Winnie the Pooh and Piglet on it. And then now it's just a matter of grinding in the beans. So we're grinding. And there you go, the kettle's boiled. Then I just put it in these circles. Smells absolutely fantastic. I'll just let that filter through. I'll just let that filter through. I've waited this long enough for it. I've got 3 sugar in it. Have a nice sweet Colombian coffee. It's just filtering through there nicely. So it's well worth the money. A tenner off Amazon. Grab them before they start going up. And it saves it. I think the coffee's a lot better when you're doing it yourself. You're grinding it yourself. You're taking your time to get the coffee right. The way you like it. Doesn't matter how many sugar you put in it. 2, 3, 4, nice and sweet. So I'm just waiting. It's a waiting game. Susan's just been off the phone there. The lawyer's getting the draft ready. And she said that hopefully it'll be going in tomorrow. We'll wait and see. He says a lot of things. So I'm still off the fags. Just add a wee bit there. And there's coffee now. In the centre. Oh. Remember this 3 circles. Like that. Honestly, it smells fantastic. Just let that filter through. Time is fleeting. There we go. So as I was saying, I've got everything out the van that I need out it to put stuff back in it again. for the wedding in Kent, and young Scots 18th, Nyla White, and then we've got the tattoo, Edinburgh tattoo, because every August we used to work for the Scottish Kennel Club, Caravan Wardens, and every August when the tattoo was on, we were actually working for the Scottish Kennel Club so in Livingston. So we never ever had a chance to go to the tattoo, but you could hear it and see the fireworks. So this year we're going, and I'm looking forward to it. So all that in the rest of the water. So I've got my kilt and all that ready. I've got a Pride of Scotland tartan. And I got the Alfie one for the wedding. And his wee shirt that came a day. So there we go. Now a couple of minutes and it'll be ready. How long's that been? 5 minutes. Now a couple of minutes. So I'll speak to you all soon. There you go.
Oh, he's dropped the lid in his seat.
Oh, you dropped the lid?
Mm-hmm.
Have you dropped the lid? I'm grand to see if you can see it, because if I open the lid you're going to see everything that's in there. Aye, wait now, I'll see if I can see it. Right, you stand over there.
Oh, it's right at the corner. That corner.
It's there.
Get that shut rapid.
It's, aye. Now you twist it. Oh! 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 There we go. Now you twist it on.
Twist.
Watch this. Watch this. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Right, twist. Alright, how smart's that? Twist.
twist.
You twist. Clever boy, twist. There, clever boy. Let's twist again, like we did last summer. Well, as you can see by the video, Wreck-It Ralph turned up with Alfie. He loves the van. Loves coming in. That's his seat. That's his own wee seat there. So everything had to be put away. Because they're that fast. But the coffee is absolutely tremendous. So there you go, Jackie. Wee cup of coffee. So thanks for watching. If you can go and get yourself a wee grinder. I'll speak to you all again soon. That's about it. Thanks for watching. Charlie, Oot&aboot.